virtually indestructible, and they're guaranteed to keep your hot drinks hotter and your cold drinks colder. It really redefines the category. What's more is we've developed a method for polishing this super metal on the interior surfaces to a never
This is a 4 hours evacuation notice for the northern end of the Scope Island, including the towns of Heaven Falls and Strays. The Scope Island Emergency and Health Board has issued a 4-hour evacuation notice following a growing wildfire 17 miles north of Heaven Falls and 27 miles north of Strays. This wildfire is moving rapidly and is expected to be in or near Heaven Falls around 11:30 p.m. and Strays around 12:45 a.m. Sunday. Residents in Strays or Heaven Falls should prepare to evacuate within 4 hours. Bring important documents, pets, children, and other essentials. Your reception center is South Point Community Hall, located at South Point on 12th Street and 5th Avenue. If you cannot evacuate within 4 hours, please call 617-290-0001 for assistance in evacuation. In addition, a voluntary evacuation is in effect for the towns of Osenia and Lily. Residents in those areas do not need to evacuate, but may do so if they are able to. I repeat, a 4-hour evacuation notice is in effect for the northern end of the Scope Island, including Heaven Falls and Strays.
one time and you're good to go. Nothing clings to the miraculous microluster interior surface, so there's absolutely nowhere for germs or bacteria to hide. Nothing can stay behind from your last drink to taint the flavor or hold.
Wildfire which has grown on the northern end of Scope Island threatens the central and southern parts of the island. All residents within a 30-mile radius of the Scope Trail should prepare to leave within 48 hours. Bring all children, pets, necessary documents, belongings, and essentials and evacuate to the south. Use the connecting bridge from the island to the mainland of Grander Island when evacuating. If you require assistance, please call 617-290-0001.
Looks like everybody showed.
Nobody could believe it until...
All residents that are further than 20 miles from the connector bridge must evacuate immediately. A wildfire threatens all communities in the warned area. Bring all children, pets, necessary documents and essentials and leave immediately towards the connector bridge. If you do not evacuate, help may not be available. Those who need assistance evacuating can call 617-290-0001.
Birdie, darling. Beat it, sweetie. I saw him first.
Birdie. Leona Purdy. Where can we go and talk, Leona Purdy?
Here is an important message from KGI-06 regarding the wildfire on Ariscope Island. The wildfire remains burning, but recovery crews are beginning to make progress. If you have evacuated into the main island, help and support can be found at multiple stations. Station 1, Morrissey North, 161st Street and Grand Derby Avenue Northeast. Station 2, Morrissey South, Kepler, 6th Street and 5th Avenue, Kepler. Station 3, Huntington, 6273-61 Avenue, Huntington. Station 4, Royal Gardens Arena. To next when you arrive at station, please show ID. If you have none, you may be asked to fill out a form. You will be provided with a place to stay until it is safe to return. Do not attempt to return until you are given an all clear. Air quality is extremely poor, and effects from the fire are life-threatening.